So most guys think to be attractive, you gotta spend tons of time grooming, plucking, primping to look perfect. Or buy $300 overpriced skincare to have glowing skin. Or spend hours every day in the gym to look awesome. The truth is, this is completely false. Today, I'm gonna go over the bare minimum routine. Think of this as the lazy guy blueprint to always look awesome without trying too hard. So there are 4 categories we're gonna talk about. There's style, there's grooming, there's fitness, and there's lifestyle. All 4 of those categories do play a part in you looking amazing, but the beautiful thing is that it's not complicated, and I've broken it down bare bones, all right? Let's start with grooming. One of my favorite things to talk about, all right? Number 1, your skin. You need clear skin. Wash your face every day, twice a day. Number 2 is moisturize it, all right? You need a high quality moisturizer every day, preferably something with an SPF to protect your face from the sun's harmful rays, right? In terms of basic, that's pretty much it. Wash your face and moisturize. Now, if you've got a problem area or something that bothers you, right, like bags or dark circles, or you've got acne, then of course there are some additional steps and products that you probably want to use. But in terms of basic, wash your face and moisturize. Hairstyle. The next thing we got to talk about. A lot of guys overcomplicate this one. Number 1, make sure that you have a hairstyle that is intentional, which means it's not just all wild and grown out. You got to make sure you have a style. Go in and get it cut every probably 4 to 6 weeks to make sure that it's not overgrown and it looks good. And then make sure you're using a high quality product, but not too much. Don't overproduct your hair. Make sure that it's clean. Wash your hair every single day, in my opinion, and condition it every other day to make sure that your hair is soft, luscious, and sexy. Facial hair, if you're gonna have it, make sure that it is well groomed and edged up properly, not too crazy. All right, your ears, they gotta be clean. Your eyebrows, they're plural, which means you need 2 if you got 1. Pluck the center, get rid of it. You don't need the shape or do anything else, but don't have 1 eyebrow and look like Bert from Bert and Ernie, all right? In terms of mouth, your teeth need to be white, your breath needs to be fresh. Make sure that you're brushing your teeth every day, twice a day, and flossing every single day. In terms of your body, make sure that you're using a high quality, sexy fragrance. Rebel is the one that I wear. If you want to check this out, I will link to it down below. Deodorant. Every single man needs to be wearing it. A non-toxic deodorant like this one. I'll also link to this down below. It is from Pete and Pedro. It is a natural deodorant that's not going to jack up your endocrine system. You're also going to smell amazing. And then last but certainly not least, your man bush. You got to trim it up. Mandatory, shave your balls. In my opinion, you need to shave your balls. In terms of the length of the man bush, it's really personal preference. And then powder your balls every single day before you actually leave the house. Your balls can't stink, gentlemen. Doesn't matter how sexy this action is. If your balls are musky, it's no sexy, all right? Speaking of sexy, I'm gonna give you a great deal. If you wanna grab all 3 of these, I'm gonna give it to you for $50, all right? Which means you buy a fragrance, I'm gonna throw these 2 products in for free while they last and for a limited time. Supplies are limited, guys. There's a special link down below. You gotta go through that link in order to grab the deal. Like I said, for $50, you get all 3 of these products, all right? And last thing in terms of grooming, your nails, they can't be nasty. You gotta keep them trimmed, and your feet can't be funky. Next up, let's talk about style. And this one, once again, isn't complicated. What do you gotta do? Number 1, you gotta wear good shoes. Shoes are where it starts. Every great outfit starts at the feet. A woman looks down and you're wearing some fucked up, like, weird shoe, she's gonna be like, no thanks, peace. You gotta wear stylish shoes. But you don't have to wear something like ultra, like, trendy or crazy like that. Just clean, appropriate shoes. Your jeans, they need to fit your body. They also need to fit your booty. You can't have them be too big, too baggy, too loose, or sagging down. Pull that shit up. And shirts, they should fit your body. They shouldn't be too big, too baggy. You shouldn't have too many crazy patterns. A good rule of thumb is stick with solid colors. All right, more subdued, muted colors looks a lot better. Make sure that your outfits are coordinated. Make sure that your clothes don't have a bunch of lint. Use a lint roller. If they're wrinkled, you gotta iron them. In terms of accessories, this one is up to you. If there was one accessory, wear a watch. It's a great conversation piece. It also sends a subliminal message that you're responsible and you're reliable. You want to wear a ring? Do it. You want to wear a necklace? Go for it. You want to wear sunglasses? Another incredible way to elevate your style? I would say yes. But other than that, guys, style is not that complicated. The next piece of this puzzle is weights, working out. What is the bare minimum to have a sexy body and look good with your clothes off? Well, we're going to talk a little bit about diet in a second with our lifestyle section. But in terms of weights, 3 days a week lifting weights is what I have found to be the most effective. You don't need to spend hours in there. If you're in there for over an hour, you're probably not working out hard enough or smart enough or effective enough, or you're just wasting a lot of time looking at your phone or talking to people that are in there. Guys, 1 hour, 3 times a week with weights is what I'd recommend. Next up is lifestyle, all right? 120 ounces a day. 1 gallon of water is what you should be drinking. I put a little bit of lemon in mine because I like the taste. It also helps my body flush some of just the stuff that I'm holding on to because maybe I ate something bad during the weekend, which is totally fine, all right? Something that's not fine is not getting enough sleep, which is the next non-negotiable in terms of bare minimum. You gotta get at least 7, I would say 8 hours of solid slumber every single night to really feel your best and to look awesome, all right? Staying hydrated is also gonna help you in a lot of other ways. Number one, it's gonna help you not retain so much water so that you're a little bit leaner. It's also gonna make your skin a lot better. Not to mention, you're gonna just feel better and more energetic. And then your diet. Now, in terms of what is the bare minimum healthy diet, I don't really know that there is such a thing, but I can say this. In terms of eating out, what I'd recommend is twice a week, max. Other than that, you should be preparing your meals. You should be making your meals at home, bringing them with you when you go to work or whatever. I feel like the more you eat out, the worse and the harder it's gonna be to basically maintain a good low body fat percentage and feel as good as possible. You need to also reduce the amount of carbohydrates and sugar, more specifically, that you're eating. A diet that's high in sugar is gonna do a lot of unhealthy, unsexy things to your body, not to mention your insulin level, and it's just not good for inflammation and a lot of other things, all right? Eat as clean and as healthy as you possibly can. It doesn't mean to not ever go out for a pizza or not to ever go out and drink, but do it responsibly. In terms of drinking alcohol, personally, what I'd recommend, 2 times a week, max. If you want to look and feel your best, you can't be drinking all the time. Drinking dehydrates you. It also does a lot of other bad things to your body. But if you want to go out on a Friday or a Saturday with your boys or your girl or whoever to get a beer, to go out, have a few drinks, go for it. And in terms of smoking, anything, I would say 0. That's just my opinion. I feel like if you smoke anything, it's going to impact you in a negative way in terms of your looks, not to mention your body and how you feel and all that good stuff, all right? Especially like cigarettes. Like if you're smoking cigarettes in 2025, like who are you? I don't even like know you. It prematurely ages your skin. It jacks up your teeth. It makes your breath stink. Your clothes stink. It's just kind of gross, all right? Figure out a way to quit. And vaping is also not a great alternative in my opinion. I don't care if they say it's healthy. I don't think it's healthy, and there are also a lot of other negative side effects to it. And in terms of the other stuff, like weed, I would not smoke that either, if it was me, in order to look my best and feel my best, period. Bottom line is this, guys, looking good, being attractive, it doesn't take a ton of time or a ton of effort. It takes you doing a few basic, simple things every day in order to look great. And if you do, follow this video, do the things I outlined, you are always gonna look amazing, even if you're lazy.